Hi, I'm Jordan Thompson, Premier Farm Realty Group and Auction, and I'm here today on 322 acres in Belgrade, Missouri, and this place is awesome. Beautiful rolling hills, pasture, mature timber, wildlife, ponds, build sites, it's got it all. This is the type of property that you will never want to leave. Enjoy the video and give me a call if you want to see it for yourself. Tucked away off a privately owned road in the rolling hills of Belgrade, Missouri, this outstanding 322-acre property offers the perfect blend of natural beauty, functionality, privacy, and recreation. Located just minutes from the historic town of Caledonia, this property is more than just a farm. It's a once-in-a-generation opportunity to own a true legacy property. The land itself is incredibly diverse and well-balanced, featuring beautiful rolling hills, open pasture, mature timber draws, and a peaceful live creek winding through the property. 4 ponds are scattered throughout the farm, providing excellent water sources for livestock and wildlife. Perimeter and cross fencing are already in place, making this an ideal setup for a cattle operation or horse farm. Several incredible build sites offer breathtaking views and outstanding privacy. With electric and a well already established, the groundwork is in place for someone to create a true legacy property. Whether that's a family retreat with multiple homes, a full-time residence, or the ultimate weekend escape. One of the best attributes to this property is the number of different build sites and their locations. I love the idea of a family building multiple homes here where you can hunt, fish, and run your family farm. For outdoor enthusiasts, this property is nothing short of exceptional. The mix of live water, timber, and open ground provides outstanding habitat for deer and turkey. You could also plant crops, ride trails, fish the ponds, or take a short trip to Council Bluff Lake for more fishing and outdoor recreation. In addition, the northwest corner of the property offers direct access to national forest. Whether you envision running cattle across the rolling pasture, building cabins for family and friends, or owning a secluded hunting paradise, this property has the versatility and character to make it happen. Properties of this size and magnitude are exceptionally hard to find. A true generational farm built to be treasured for decades to come.